Hey guys, Sylvia here and welcome to my Effortless Video Editing review. Well guys, a cool training course that is, and as you will see in this video in particular, I will be using this training course. I mean, the knowledge that I have gained from this training course by Mark Hess, his latest launch. And I will use it to edit this video, because what this training is ultimately all about, it shows you a super cool, simple to use, very like stupid simple to use AI editing software that you can use to edit all sorts of videos in a very simplified way. Trust me, this software is like another level. It has been made so simple and user-friendly that, it's gonna blow your socks off, and I really mean it. And I don't mean to hype it up too much, but I am actually loving it. I have been playing a lot around with the software myself, and as you will see, there will be some parts of my video edited, so just to show you what this software is capable of. So basically, in this Effortless Video Editing training course by Mark Hess, you will be shown how to download the software. It's free to download for anyone, and the crazy thing is that there are hardly any tutorials out there that will show you how to use this software, this free, super cool but free tool. You just register, create your account, and you can edit unlimited number of videos. And so in this training course, Mark Hess will show you how to go about using it. Putting it into action and making your video super cool. And that is going to increase your viewers' attention big time, because we know that the attention span is so short these days. So it's nice to change up the videos, add elements to it, just to make it more engaging, right? Because then, the longer the viewer retention, the better it will affect the ranking of our videos on YouTube. So it's very important to make them highly engaging. Alright, let me show you what I have here for you. So this is the sales page. I'll attach the link to the sales page below my review. Go grab it, guys, because you will definitely love it. And he just says here, Mark, that you can use this world's smartest, fastest, easiest AI-powered video editing software to edit videos like a pro, like Mr. Beast. And I will obviously use this software myself, and that's the software precisely that I am talking about. As you can see, I have already created my account here. That's my account, and I can edit limitless number of videos. And the nice thing about the software is that it doesn't show you the timeline. But because this timeline, we normally have it in editing software, softwares here at the bottom, and it's sometimes so super tricky to play around with. But here it breaks up the video. Here it automatically into these clips. And then you can edit bit by bit every single one, and it adds the subtitles, the caption automatically, and you can then even change the size of it, the color. And so much you can do. You can export video, you can put a video on top of the video. You can insert so much here. Alright, I'm just gonna the background music. There's so many sound effects. You can cut the silence, and so much more you can do. Now, what I would highly encourage you guys to do, go check out this the sales page and watch the video that Mark okay, recorded before and then after using the software, and you will see the difference. So yeah, just go through the sales page, all of the features he talks about, frequently asked questions, definitely check them out. And where he talks about upsells, okay, let me show you the upsells actually, because there are just a few, and this is Mark Hess. So this training course is currently on a dime sale, so the standard price is 90, the usual price, okay, 97, and he's just released it, okay, and already sold it in 500 copies. So it got 5 stars, people are totally loving it, and the best thing about it is that it gives you access to a free software, okay, that you can download on, you know, Windows, I mean any kind of system you're using, you know, so you will be good. Now, one thing I do want to show you is the members area. So basically, right, you will, let's go back here to the, that's the members area of Unlimited AI Video Editing, okay, and here will be the videos you will have on how to use the software. So how to access the AI video editing software, how to download it, okay. Obviously, you know, like you will see it blurred because, you know, I cannot expose the name of the software obviously, but you will get free access to it once you buy the training, and then he will show you, Mark will show you how to import and automatically subtitle your video, so the subtitles are automatically added, and how to automatically remove silence, how to do easy text editing, edit like Mr. Beast, he says here, how to work with video within the video, so you can put a video on top of the video, how to add sound effects, images, and how to and music, and how to export the video. So, you know, you will have them here, like once you've completed, you will go to the next one. So let me just show you as an example the next video, or maybe which one was it? Hold on. Okay, so yeah, so you'll have one video after another one, and the videos will be anything from 5 to 10, okay, you will have about 8 videos here, right, and upsells would be his previous products actually, okay, I'm sorry, his previous products. So this desk vertical video training course will be upsell number 1, then the ultimate Facebook traffic trick, it's like a training course as well about creating those special Facebook groups, and then the last upsell would be the private video mastermind group, lifetime access, okay, and that's the group I am obviously member. And here's what's so cool about this group, that Mark actually gives you access to all of the training courses he comes up with. So as a member of this training course, you will have access to his future training courses. So it is totally worth picking it up, this upsell, okay, and because he also provides additional videos. Anything you struggle with, you can bring it to his attention, and he said he would create a video around it, okay. So yeah, and here is you will have access to this training course via his membership groups, as you can his membership site, okay. Here's it's hosted on System E. So now you will obviously get access to this unlimited AI video editing, but these two will be upsells. They are not related to this training course, but these two upsells, which again are not related, and he states it very clearly on the sales page, okay, here, that nothing related to this training or software would be the upsell. So you get the total training and unlimited access to the software with all features included. And there's an upsell if you want to take part in my mastermind group and purchase my other training courses, but nothing related to this. So he's very transparent. These where did we have it? These 2 training courses are on either Facebook, this one, and the other one is on creating YouTube shorts, desktop vertical video training, and how to create vertical videos using your desktop, so not like, you know, holding your phone. Okay, and I think that's all. Okay, and I'm not gonna get like I don't want to make this video too long. So basically, in this again training course, you will get access to a super cool free AI software which you can use for editing all sorts of videos. Okay, and they will look amazing, and hopefully, like, you know, I'm gonna try and edit this video as, you know, after I've recorded it with this software, so I'll give you an example of what you can do. But you know, like, trust me, so much is possible with this tool here. Okay, I'm just presenting this software here. Okay, so much you can do here, guys. Seriously, add the music, I mean, like, add some like special effects, add some videos, and this and that, so just to make your videos amazing. Right, okay, so go check it out for yourselves. I'll attach the link to the sales page, read through the sales page, watch the videos he did before and after the software, and if you decide to buy it, now it's a dime sale, so you are going to get it for around 13 bucks. Good price, excellent price for a fantastic training, and you know, will let you know about an amazing AI AI editing software that you will love and you will use always. Okay, you're gonna ditch your previous editing softwares, trust me. I will do. I mean, like, I'm sticking to this software myself because I'm loving it. Alright guys, take care, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.